so blessed. हमें और जोश आता है कि और काम करें आप लोग आते रहिए। पहले ही डर गया देख के वैसे ही डर गया वो।
Dr. is coming.
Good afternoon, everybody, for your bright future. Thank you.
Respected Chief Guest Dr. Abhishek ji, Nika Manhat Madam, Dr. Chand Trehan Madam, and staff of PHL. Congrats.
Vaishali, Roma Kumari, Meenakshi Gupta,
थोड़ा पहले वो बोलो सामने सामने
Sonakshi Gupta,
ओके सामने
Priyanka Sharma,
ओके सामने इधर देखो सामने देखो ओके
Their work was very good, very meticulous. We are so proud of
Priyanka
all of them.
Sharma,
ओके
Sir,
सामने
Amarjeet Singh,
Pramit,
Yograj Singh, Neeraj Singh, Naresh Kumar,
you've earned it, and that's
Soni, Hema Verma, Simran
इनको लग रहा है हम
Jotra,
फंस गए, बहुत काम करना पड़ेगा।
सामने
Anil Kumar, Smiley Chaudhary, would like to thank the organizers, the BN Trust and Dr. Chand Care North for having me here, not as a chief guest I would say, but as somebody who appreciates the value of counseling. So it's a pleasure to be with you this afternoon. Thank you so much. When we look at youngsters coming up for these courses in counseling, it fills our heart with a lot of pride. आजकल के टाइम में सबको स्ट्रेस है, देयर आर मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज, देयर आर मेनी इश्यूज विच आर बियॉन्ड द बॉडीली सेल्फ, एंड फॉर दैट मेनी पीपल आर नॉट अवेयर वेयर टू गो, किसके पास जाएं, किससे बात करें. सो इन दीज टाइम्स इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट वी ऑल रिकॉग्नाइज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ प्रोफेशनल्स एज काउंसलर्स हु आर अवेलेबल. And in Jammu, as we all know, there is a dearth of qualified professionals. I would like to share that, many years ago when we came across Dr. Chand Trehan as the only RCI certified counselors, the university caught hold of her. Almost all our programs which were related to counseling had Chand ma'am in one way or the other. So my association with Chand ma'am goes back to approximately, I think, 15 years or something like that. I may appear very young, but I'm not very young.
I'm beautiful as ever.
Oh, it's a compliment. Thank you so much. But there is always a need. We have always realized that there is a need of professionally trained people. So this course which you have done in a combination from IGNOU and under this internship program, I am sure it must have imparted you important professional skills, which is very important. Also, I believe that these programs are also something which gives you an opportunity to develop yourself. The self-development comes topmost. Until unless you are developed and you understand the human psyche, the human behavior, the human emotion, you will not be able to address the issues of others. दूसरों की मदद से पहले खुद को समझना. So I am very sure कि आप बहुत अच्छे professionals बनोगे, but I am also sure that this program has contributed to your personal growth, right? And I am very, very happy that these young budding counselors I am able to see you today, and I wish you all the very best. I won't take much of your time, but I am very, very glad I am part of this, and I look forward to seeing more of you working in the field. And the University of Jammu is also going to catch hold of some of you as professionals. We would like you to come over to the university, work with us also. So I am also, taking this opportunity, Chan ma'am, if you find some of these are good, you can recommend their names to us. We can have them as part-time counselors at the university also. Thank you.
A program has been organized. I thanks BN Charitable Hospital, especially Managing Director Saab, for organizing such a program, certificate distribution program for those students, those learners of IGNOU and Jammu University who has carried out their internship program, which is a compulsory component of for completion of MA Psychology degree. So you all are young minds of J&K, and I hope after receiving this certificate you have gained skilled, because internship means you have to be engage yourself in any organization. You have to learn something. As you are a student of psychology, so there are many institutions who are offering internship program, but I tell you frankly that if you talk about BN Charitable Hospital, most of the students are coming because of their services, because of their counselors, because of their doctors who are providing actual support to the students, to the learning. And also I thank Abhishek ji, because some of the students are also doing their internship at psychiatric department, Government Medical College. So it's really pleasure to be part of this program. I hope that you have completed all the courses of the program. Have you completed all the courses of the program?
Thank Chan ma'am for inviting me here, esteemed faculty and students and friends. Mental health is important. First of all, you have to understand this. Mental health is it's even more important than physical health. And just imagine, सबसे common problem लोगों को क्या होती है? Gastritis हो गया, गैस बन गई. What is the prevalence of gastric distress? 0.5%, 0.1 to 0.5%. So in 1,000 you will find only 1 or 2 patients or 5 patients who are having gastric distress. What is the prevalence of psychiatric disorders? It's 15 to 25%. Now जाते कहाँ हैं ये patients? You will say, sir, इतने सारे patients हैं, but there are only 5 psychiatrists in Jammu and handful of clinical psychologists in Jammu. ठीक है, कहाँ जाते हैं? Now there you will help us to reduce the treatment gap, we call it. What is treatment gap? ट्रीटमेंट गैप का मतलब है कि अगर 100 लोगों को प्रॉब्लम है, चाहे हार्ट की, चाहे किडनी की, चाहे साइकेट्री की, वो सही डॉक्टर के पास कितने पहुंचते हैं उसमें. इन साइकेट्री द ट्रीटमेंट गैप इज ह्यूज. दे से दैट only 1 out of 10 person who is actually having psychiatric problem land up to either a clinical psychologist or a psychologist or a psychiatrist. बाकी लोग कहाँ जाते हैं? We did a research. In 2007, we did a research. We took 100 patients from gastro OPD, पेट की OPD. We took 100 patients from heart OPD. We took 100 patients from 5 such OPD जहाँ पर हमें लगा कि psychiatric patients शायद जा सकते हैं. And you will be amazed, in cardiac OPD, the prevalence of psychiatric disorders without any cardiac disorder was as high as 50%. So 50% of patients जो कि एक कार्डियोलॉजिस्ट के बाहर वेट कर रहे होते हैं, उनको एक्चुअली हार्ट की कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती. They may be having palpitations. They may be having chest discomfort. That is because of anxiety. मैं आपको अपनी पर्सनल एक बात बताता हूँ कि हमारे पास
Welcome you to BN Hospital, and I congratulate you on completing your program, and I can only say that you are in very good hands, and like our basic philosophy that if we are imparting any education, we are actually imparting the education. We are not doing only kagzi karwai. And I am sure that if you have been exposed to the teachings of Chand ma'am, you will be definitely a very good counselor. And I wish you all the best in your life. Thank you very much and welcome again.
So confusion ये रही ये अब how this treatment gap is improved. मैं थोड़ा सा मैंने आपको फिगर जो दिया
यार मेरे फोन से मैंने इनको बुलाया क्योंकि मैंने इनको यहीं रखा है ना. Congratulate all the students today who have earned the certificate, because I'm sure that you've earned it because you worked hard with it. I'm indeed very grateful to our chief guest, our guest of honor, our special guest, and all the people here to have come and bless this program. I would give a little brief introduction to the dignitaries here about the program. That BN Care, as we call it, is from BN Hospital is the B, and the Care is from Care North, which is our organization for last about now 17 years. So I work in the field of counseling in all the different strata pan India, and JNK is close to me because I'm a part of JNK, and since 2000 I started working in the field of counseling. Slowly there was no counselor then, and slowly counselors came in the state, but unfortunately I realized that the skill of counseling was missing, because I used to be on the panel selecting counselors for various organizations. So it came to my mind that why not start a program which I felt every counselor, to be called a counselor, should know their skills. Just a degree is not enough. Otherwise all the doctors would be counselors. So for counseling there are particular skills, and we created a very nice structured program which I did a pioneer or pilot study in Chandigarh with more than 100 students of Rayabara University and Chandigarh University 3 years back. And when I saw that it was so successful, I brought that structured program here. And I would like you all to give a round of applause for BN Charitable Trust, Mr. Kunal Bhalla and Mrs. Neelu Bhalla, who's always the quiet person. But this baby grew with our conversation one day when I was going to her nursing college. And I told her that this is something very close to my heart and I do want to talk about. So she says, okay, let's think about something. And we thought of this program. So we made a structured program. It's a hybrid mode. But I will not say that our internship is online internship. Our online work is the extra 10 topics which I teach our students online with all the reputed professors I find or the experts I find. And then I send them, once I know that they are ready, then we send them to the field. They collect their own cases, they do their original work. जिनको सर्टिफिकेट आज मिला वो ऐसे से कर रहे हो मैम, हमें पता है कैसे मिला है. So it is like, and I tell them कि I will not sell the certificate. भागना है तो भाग जाओ, पर काम करना पड़ेगा. So they do 10 cases from different fields. We monitor those cases, and when we are satisfied that they know how to handle a client independently, then we give them certificate. It is not that every month they get it. कभी कभी तो इन लोगों को सर्टिफिकेट 2 महीने 2.5 महीने के बाद भी मिलता है. जब तक काम नहीं होगा, आई एम सॉरी ऑन दैट दो, बट मुझे ये तसल्ली है कि जो हमारे यहाँ से निकल रहा है वो वहाँ पर बहुत अच्छी एक मशाल चलाएगा, बिकॉज वो एक अच्छा काउंसलर होगा. हमें उस तरह के काउंसलर्स नहीं चाहिए स्टेट में जिनसे बात करके कोई सुसाइड कमिट कर ले. ऐसा भी हो रहा है, फ्रैंकली हो रहा है, क्योंकि वो काउंसलर ही सजेस्ट कर देता है, अरे भैया तुम कर क्या रहे हो, तो वो जब मार देता है. काउंसलर्स हु आर गिविंग a light to everybody to shine in the world and control and manage oneself. And the locus of control we want them to build internally rather than externally. Chand Rehanu, Director Care North, और मेरे साथ है यहाँ के ट्रस्टी मिस्टर कुनल भल्ला, BN हॉस्पिटल के ट्रस्टी हैं. हम दोनों ने मिलके ये सोचा कि मेंटल हेल्थ के ऊपर काम किया जाए, और हमने इंटर्नशिप प्रोग्राम यहाँ शुरू किया है जिसमें कि हम बच्चों को काउंसलिंग की स्किल्स सिखाते हैं. ये पूरे JNK के बच्चे हैं अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट से, और क्योंकि ये स्टेप हमने इसलिए लिया पिछले साल क्योंकि मुझे लगा कि पढ़ाई बच्चे कॉलेजेस और यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में कर रहे हैं, पर कोई भी ऐसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन या गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से कोई भी ऐसा एफर्ट नहीं है कि जो बच्चे बाहर जाके काम कर रहे हैं उनके अंदर काउंसलिंग के स्किल्स सिखाए जाएं। तो ये हमने एक इनिशिएटिव लिया है जिसमें कि हम बच्चों को काउंसलिंग स्किल्स सिखाते हैं ताकि ये बच्चे बाहर जाके अच्छे मेंटल हेल्थ प्रोफेशनल्स बने और लोगों को हेल्प करें और जो मेंटल हेल्थ पेशेंट्स हैं या क्लाइंट्स हैं उनको सही रास्ता दिखाएं। अगर वो प्रोफेशनली क्वालिफाइड हैं और उनके अंदर स्किल है काउंसलिंग का, तभी ये काम हो सकता है।
बीएन चैरिटेबल ट्रस्ट और बीएन जनरल हॉस्पिटल की तरफ से डॉक्टर चांद के साथ हमने मिलकर ये शुरू किया है और हमने भी रियलाइज़ किया कि जो हमारे पास स्टूडेंट्स कोर्स पूरा कर लेते हैं लेकिन जब तक उनमें ये स्किल्स नहीं है कि हाउ टू डील विद पीपल, हाउ टू डील विद प्रॉब्लम, जो काउंसलिंग स्किल्स चाहिए वो लैकिंग हमको लगता था। तो हमने इनके साथ मिलकर हमने शुरू किया और हमने सोचा कि हमारे जो हॉस्पिटल में हम एक ओल्ड होम भी चलाते हैं, यहाँ हॉस्पिटल भी हमारे पास पेशेंट्स आते हैं, तो एक डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ लोग मिलते हैं जिनके ऊपर ये स्किल्स की प्रैक्टिस हो जा सकती है। कर रहा है and I think this is a very important service we are giving to society and to the people of Jammu in particular.